Hello, welcome to this channel Gain Java Knowledge, and today in Java problem solving series we are going to discuss about how to count number of vowels in a string. For example, we have a string str is equal to gain Java knowledge, and we need to count the number of vowels in this string. So here we can count the vowels in alphabets are A, E, I, O, U. There is 5 vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U. So here we need to count the occurrence of vowels in this string. So here the count will be first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and here the number of total vowels is 7. Okay, let's begin to write the code. Here I will create one class, that is vowel counts, and here we will write the code to count the number of vowels. By different weights we will use here switch conditions. And so first in this class I will declare one main method, and here I will use scanner class to provide the input. So user can enter any input value with the help of scanner class. And here I will store the string into a variable that's name is input, and here I will use scanner class next line function. Now first what I will do here, first I will convert this string into lowercase because we don't know the case is small letter or capital. So first here I will convert our input string into lowercase by calling toLowerCase method. toLowerCase. Now our string will be converted into lowercase letters. And now what we will do first I will start to iterate each characters of a string. To iterate I will use here for loop. I will be less than input dot length, and it will be up to, and here we need to define the condition. So here first I will show with switch condition. Here I will use switch, but first I need to get the first character value. So here I will use char at method to get the character from this input string, input dot char at I. So it will iterate each character one by one. Now I will use here switch conditions. And here I will use case if the input value will be A, and as we know in alphabets there is 5 vowels, so here I will write its 5 times. First for A, second for E, I, O and U. If these 5 vowels will come, then what we will do, we will store integer vowel count. First we will declare as 0 its initial value, and if the condition will match, then it will increment and break it. And here I will write its default condition. Like this, when all iteration will complete, then we will print the output. Here we will print. Now I will run this application. Now here saying enter any string, so here I will enter gain Java knowledge. Now we can see the output vowel count is 7, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 and that's 7. Here we can see we have write lots of lines, so here we can also use if condition to count the vowels. So here I will write if character is equal to A, or character is equal to E, or I and U, then it will count plus plus. So here I will replace with E, and here with I, and here O and U. Now I will run this application. Enter any string here. Here you can see the output vowel count is 7.